Next concept, concyclic points. If the given 4 points lie on the same circle, then the points are said to be the concyclic points. That is, the given 4 points lies on the same circle. Show the next problem. Show that the points 1, 1, minus 6, 0, minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 8 are concyclic. So, if these 4 points are concyclic, means the 4 points lie on the same circle. So, first we are finding the equation of the circle by using any 3 of the given points, and next we are substituting the fourth point in that equation. If it returns 0, then we are saying that the given points are concyclic points. That is, first we are finding the equation of the circle by taking any 3 points of the given points. So first we are taking the given points. Given points are 1, 1, minus 6, 0, minus 2, 2, and minus 2, minus 8. So first I am finding the equation of the circle by taking the first 3 points. So let equation of circle. So to find the equation of the circle, we are taking the formula of the standard form. That is, equation of the circle in standard form is that equation of circle B x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Now to find the equation of the circle, first we are substituting the first 3 points in the given in this circle equation. Then we get 3 equations. Now by solving the 3 equations, we have to find the values of g of c, and substituting all the values of g of c in this equation, we get the equation of the circle. And in that circle we are taking the last point. That's all. That is the procedure. Now first 1, 1 point substitution. 1 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 1 plus c is equal to 0. That is 2g plus 2f plus c, 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. Next minus 6, 0 point substitution. Minus 6 whole square plus 0 square plus 2g into minus 6 plus 2f into 0 plus c equal to 0. That is 36 minus 12g plus c is equal to 0. Second term 0 and fourth term 0. That is minus 12g plus c plus constant 36 is equal to 0. So equation 2. And next third point, minus 2, 2 point substitution. X square y square minus 2 whole square plus 2 square 2gx 2f5. 2g into minus 2 plus 2f into 2 plus c is equal to 0. So 4 plus minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. Minus 4g plus 4f plus c, 4 plus 4 plus 8 equal to 0. Now we are solving these 3 equations 1, 2, 3 to get the values of g, f, c. So first we are solving equations 1 and 2 and next 2 and 3. Now from 1 and 2 we are taking the first equation, second equation. Now changing the signs of the second equation, minus 12g plus and plus c, minus c plus 36, minus 36. Now plus c minus c gets cancelled. 2g plus 12g, 14g plus 2f minus 2 minus 36, minus 34 is equal to 0. Now taking 2 common, 2 into 7g plus f minus 17 is equal to 0. That is 7g plus f minus 17 is equal to 0. Say equation 4. Now from 2 and 3, now minus 4g, changing the signs of the second equation, plus 4g, minus 4f, minus 4f, plus 4f, minus 4f, plus c, minus c, plus 8, minus 8. Again here also plus c minus c gets cancelled. Now minus 12g plus 4f, plus 4g, minus 8g, plus minus 4f, 36 minus 8 plus 28 is equal to 0. Now taking 4 common, 4 into minus 2g minus f plus 7 is equal to 0. That is minus 2g minus f plus 7 equal to 0. This is equation 5. Now solving of the equations 4 and 5. So fourth equation, 7g plus f minus 17 equal to 0. And fifth equation, minus 12g minus f plus 7 equal to 0. So here directly plus f and minus f gets cancelled. 7g minus 2g, 5g minus 17 plus 7 minus 10 is equal to 0. Then 5g is equal to 10. Addition plus g is equals to 2. Now we are substituting g is equal to 2 value in the fourth equation. That is from fourth equation, 7g plus f minus 17 equals to 0. So g is equal to 2. G is equal to value substitution. 7 into 2 plus f minus 17 is equal to 0. That is 14 plus f minus 17 equal to 0. That is f minus 3 is equal to 0. then f is equals to 3. Now g is equal to 2, f is equal to 3, value substitution in the first equation, then 2 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus c plus 2 is equal to 0. 4 plus 6 plus c plus 2 is equal to 0. c plus 4 plus 6 plus 2, 12 is equal to 0. That is c is equal to minus 12. Therefore, now we are substituting these three values in the standard form equation. Therefore, equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. That is x square plus y square plus 2 into g value 2 into x plus 2 into f value 3 into y minus 12 is equals to 0. That is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equals to 0. Now substituting the last point in the circle equation, that is x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 8. Minus 2 whole square plus minus 8 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 6 into minus 8 minus 12 is equals to 4 plus 64 minus 8 minus 48 minus 12 is equals to 68 minus 20 minus 48. 68 is equal to 0. Therefore, given points are consecutive. So, if the point satisfies this above equation, then we are saying that the given points are consecutive points. So, when we substituting the point in the circle equation, it returns the answer 0. Therefore, given points are consecutive. Therefore, given points are consecutive. That's it. Next problem. If 2, 0, 0, 1, 4, 5 and 0, c are consecutive points, then find c. So, given that the points are consecutive means all the points lie on the same circle. So, that is, first we are finding the equation of the circle from the first 3 points and we are substituting the last point in that equation to get the value of c. So, first we are finding the equation of circle passing to the first 3 points. So, for that we are taking the equation of circle as, that equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now, we are substituting the given points one by one in this circle equation. So, the first point 2, 0. 2, 0 point substitution, that is first 2 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 2 plus 2f into 0 plus c equals to 0. That is 4 plus 4g plus c is equal to 0. Second term equals to 0, fourth term is equal to 0. That is 4g plus c plus 4 equals to 0. So equation 1. Now substituting the second point, that is 0, 1. 0, 1 point substitution. 0 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 1 plus c is equals to 0. That is 1 plus 2f plus c equals to 0. First term 0, third term 0. Vision as 2f plus c plus 1 equals to 0. This is equation 2. Taking the third point of the equation, 4 square plus f square plus 2g into 4 plus 2f into 5 plus c is equal to 0. 16 plus 25 plus 8g plus 10f plus c equal to 0. 8g plus 10f plus c plus 16 plus 45 is equals to 16 plus 25 equals to 41. So plus 41 equal to 0. This is equation 3. Now solving of the equations 1 to 3. So first taking equations 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 taking the equations 1 and 2. First equation 4g plus c plus 4 equals to 0. And second equation 2f plus c plus 1 is equals to 0. Now subtracting the equations. Now changing the signs of the second equation. Minus minus minus. That is 4g minus 2f 4 minus 1 plus 3 is equals to 0. This is equation 4. Now taking the equations 2 and 3 from 2 and 3 from second equation third equation. Second equation 2f plus c plus 1 equals to 0 and third equation 8g plus 10f plus c plus 41 is equals to 0. Now subtracting equations, changing the signs of the second equation. Minus 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 minus. Now this is minus 8g minus 8f 2f minus 10f minus 8f 1 minus 41 minus 40 equal to 0. So minus 8g minus 8f minus 40 equal to 0. Taking minus 8 common, minus 8 into g plus f plus 5 is equal to 0. 0 by minus 8, that is g plus f plus 5 is equal to 0. This is equation 5. Now from 4 and 5, now we are solving the equations 4 and 5. So taking the fourth equation. Fourth equation is 4g minus 2f plus 3 is equal to 0. And this is fifth equation. Now we are multiplying the fifth equation by 2 to get the value 2f. So 2g plus 2f plus 10 is equal to 0. Now here plus 2f and minus 2f gets cancelled. So 4g plus 2g, 6g plus 13 is equal to 0. Then 6g is equal to minus 13 and g is equal to minus 13 by 6. Now g is equal to minus 13 by 6. 13 by 6, we are substituting g is equal to minus 13 by 6 value in the fourth equation, that is 4 into g value minus 13 by 6 minus 2f plus 3 is equal to 0. Now 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 into minus 13 minus 26 by 3 minus 2f plus 3 is equal to 0. So minus 26 by 3 plus 3 is equals to plus 2f. Writing this minus 2f to that side, which implies taking 3 LCM, minus 26 plus 3 3s are 9 is equals to 2f, that is 2f is equals to minus 17 by 3, minus 26 plus 9, minus 17 by 3, which implies f is equals to minus 17 by 6. So g is equal to minus 13 by 6, f is equal to minus 17 by 6. So we are substituting these two values in the first equation to get the value of c. So from first equation, 4g plus c plus 4 is equal to 0. Now taking g value, 4 into minus 13 by 6 plus c plus 4 is equal to 0. Now 2 times 3 times minus 26 by 3 plus c plus 4 is equals to 0. Then c is equals to 26 by 3 minus 4. Now taking minus 26 by 3 and 4 to that side. Now it becomes plus 26 by 3 and plus 4 becomes minus 4. Now 26 minus 12 by 3 taking LCM is equals to 14 by 3. Therefore the value of c is equals to 14 by 3. Already we have that g is equal to minus 13 by 6 and f is equal to minus 17 by 6. Now we are substituting these three values in the circle equation. Circle equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. That is x square plus y square plus 2 into g value minus 13 by 6 into x plus 2 into f value minus 17 by 6 into y plus c value 14 by 3 equals to 0. Now it is cancelled by 3 times. Now taking 3 LCM, 3x square plus 3y square minus 13x minus 17y plus 14 is equals to 0. Now 0 into 3 becomes 0. Therefore equation of circle is 3x square plus 3y square minus 13x minus 17y plus 14 is equals to 0. Points are concyclic. The point 0, c lies on the circle 3x square plus 3y square minus 13x minus 17y plus 14 is equal to 0. Means we are substituting this point in the circle equation. That is 3 into 0 square plus 3c square minus 13 into 0 minus 17c plus 14 is equals to 0. That is 3c square minus 17c plus 14 is equals to 0. First term equal to 0, third term is equal to 0. Now taking the factorization, 3c square minus 14c minus 3c plus 14 is equals to 0. Taking c common from the first two terms, then c into 3c minus 14. Again taking minus 1 here, minus 1 common, minus 1 into 3c minus 14 is equals to 0. 3c minus 14, 3c minus 14. Taking that term as common, 3c minus 14 into c minus 1 is equals to 0. Then 3c minus 14 equals to 0 and c minus 1 equals to 0. 3c is equals to 14 and c is equals to 14 by 3. From this here c is equals to 1. But when we take c is equals to 1, then what the point becomes 0 comma c becomes 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 means this is the point already given. So we don't take c is equals to 1. Therefore the value of c is equals to 14 by 3 only.